Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today we're making 3 different styles of quesadillas, from beginner-friendly to professional level, to see which one delivers the best taste and texture. Let's get started. Level 1. Simple home-style quesadilla. Tortilla. Store-bought flour tortillas. Cheese. Pre-shredded Mexican cheese blend. Filling. Rotisserie chicken and salsa. Cooking. Method. Pan-fried until golden brown. Flavor profile. Quick, cheesy, and satisfying. Level 2. Authentic al pastor quesadilla. Tortilla. High-quality buttery tortillas. Cheese. Oaxaca cheese for a perfect melt. Filling. Slow-marinated pork with pineapple. Cooking method. Grilled to enhance flavors. Flavor profile. Smoky, tangy, and packed with flavor. Level 3. Gourmet. Blue corn. Quesadilla. Tortilla. Handmade blue corn tortillas. Cheese. Freshly made queso fresco and Oaxaca cheese. Filling. Squash blossoms, roasted mushrooms, and charred tomatillo salsa. Cooking method. Griddled with a touch of olive oil. Flavor profile. Rich, nutty, and beautifully balanced. Taste test and verdict home-style quesadilla. Simple and satisfying, but lacks depth. Al pastor quesadilla. A great balance of smoky, sweet, and cheesy flavors. Gourmet quesadilla. The most refined, complex, and elevated experience. Final thoughts. Does fancy mean better? Which one would you try? Now you know 3 ways to make quesadillas. Which level would you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more Mexican recipes? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and delicious dishes.